Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Unique Wraps. Today we got another car to wrap, but first we're gonna go ahead and roll into the intro. So the car we have today is 2021 Dodge Charger GT. Brand new car. The client just picked it up about a couple weeks ago. We're gonna be blacking out the hood as well as the roof in satin black color by Avery Dennison. So I just got this new roll. So the measurements for the hood is about 60 inches by 65 in width. And as far as for the roof is even 60 by 60 inches. So every roll comes into 60 inches in width. All I have to do is just measure it and cut it, and then we're gonna go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure real quick, and then I'm gonna start cutting. So what's up, you guys? It's about 3 hours later or so. The hood is fully done in satin black, as well as the roof, as you can see, and fully cut, everything perfect. Also ceramic coated the whole hood as well as the roof. Also washed the car, detailed it for the client to pick it up tomorrow. Alrighty, you guys, that's a wrap on this 2021 Dodge Charger GT for the Blackout hood, roof, as well as the trunk. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at unique_wraps_414. Also, if you're anywhere from Milwaukee area, don't forget to hit us up for any quote for your car, for paint protection film, for full vinyl wrap or ceramic coating. I'm gonna pop up my information somewhere on the screen. Yeah, call us, text us, and we'll be happy to help you guys, and see you guys next video.